Hey, what's up guys? Just to do a really quick unboxing and review of this power scrubber that I got off Amazon. It's got all kinds of different brushes, supposed to be rechargeable and help you able to clean a lot of stuff very easily. Let's go and get unboxed and see everything that we've got in here. Alrighty guys, I got it unboxed. This is what it looks like. It's got a nice soft rubberized handle here that allow you to grip it very easily. You're gonna have your on button here that you're gonna use there. You're gonna have a little display telling you probably the battery percentage and the speeds. This is where you're gonna attach the actual brushes. You've got a nice little handle here as well. It also includes this really nice mesh bag that allows it to dry out very easily, which is really nice. You can throw all the different brushes in there, and if you want to put this somewhere away, hang it somewhere by the little string here, you could allow it to dry out. To go over some of the brushes, the actual brushes themselves, we've got a nice brush here. I'd say that's probably 4 inches across. You've got a smaller version of that, and then you've also got one of these cone styles that allow you to get into like corners and stuff. And then you've also got this attachment, which allows you to attach stuff like this Brillo pad style here, which allows it to attach just like that. It's got the Velcro on the back, so this would be really nice to like clean for showers, like the glass on showers and stuff. You've got a really nice like buffing pad, I guess you'd call it, and then you've got a polishing pad here as well that it also includes, and it includes a really nice charging cable here. This is probably going to be maybe 3 feet long, USB Type A to USB Type C, and then you're going to charge it on the bottom of it here by pulling up this little waterproof plug there, and then that is where you charge it. So this is water resistant. I'm not going to say it's waterproof. I wouldn't be taking it under the, under the lake or anything, but you've got a little water seal there to help it keep water out of there. But to turn it on, let's go ahead and press that. And as you can see, it's spinning there, and there's our battery percentage. If you press that button again, we went into the second setting and the first setting, and then you press and hold and it turns it off. To actually attach one of these brushes, it's pretty straightforward. You're just going to push it in there. It's going to clip just like that, and you just turn it on, and you are ready to start brushing. That, I mean, it has pretty good torque on it as well. To pull it off, you're just going to kind of pull there a little aggressively, and it pops it out of the little clip there. But that is pretty much the overall look of it. It looks great. Can't wait to use it. This will be great to wash the actual glass in our shower, because it's going to build up soap scum and stuff like that, and having this on there is going to be great to scrub that off. So if you guys are looking for a great high quality power scrubber, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.